Hey everyone, I thought I'd take a moment to announce our guest trainers coming to Apache next year. Starting the year off will be Cecil Burch of Immediate Action Combatives. He'll be teaching some ground fighting skills in February. Next up in February is Brian Hill of the Complete Combatant. Brian will be teaching two classes, Close Quarter Decisions and his image-based decisional drills instructor course. In March, we have Lee Weems of First Person Safety teaching two separate classes, Shotgun Manipulation and Social Levergun. Also in March, we have our good friend Phill Groff coming down to teach 3 days worth of his new format of classes. We haven't finalized the details yet, but he is coming. Our friends from Gunset are coming down to teach a medical class and a tactical rifle class in April. Another 3-day evolution of awesome training. In May, we have Chuck Haggard of Agile Training and Consulting teaching OC Instructor and Close Quarter Handgun course. Next up in July is Tom Givens of Rangemaster teaching his 2-day Advanced Instructor Development course. And then the following weekend in July is Tim Herron coming to our place for the first time ever teaching his 2-day Practical Performance course. Tatiana Whitlock has some new stuff coming our way in August with her Defensive Handgun class and a Handgun Accuracy Train the Trainer course. September will be our fellow gun scoundrel Kent Hauer of Green Mountain Defense traveling down to teach 2 days worth of some awesome material. And October has Greg Elliftritz of Active Response Training on the calendar for 3 separate 1-day classes. We haven't finalized the details on this one either, but expect wheel guns, knives, and medical to be involved. Closing out the year will be John Murphy of FPF Training teaching his Street Encounter Skills and Tactics course. We are excited to bring you quality trainers from all over the country and look forward to sharing the range with you. Check out the links below for more details. Also, be on the lookout for the Apache course calendar for 2023. Those will be announced November 1st of this year. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We look forward to seeing you out here.